over 60% of the Welsh schools visit us.
It's a great place to come.
Yeah.
Got families.
Jeff is our maintenance man, as you can tell.
Do you want me to sign?
Yes, please.
Yeah? Find a space.
Yeah.
So you keep the place going?
Yes.
Yeah?
Good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Ooh, good question. Morning. We just need to obviously play a little bit better, and like all football teams need that little bit of luck as well. Do you think we'll qualify? Good.
Under 8 for Llangrannog.
Okay. Hello? You okay? You always this quiet? No?
Be a star of the future with the women's game coming on the way it is.
Journalist as well. She asked me the first question this morning.
Did she?
Yeah.
Really?
Are you going to qualify straight in?
What do you think of Ryan's squad then? Good squad?
Yeah.
Must be good at his job then, yeah?
I think I know the answer to this one. What was the best goal you ever scored?
It was a goal for Manchester United against Arsenal in the semi-final of the FA Cup, and then had the worst celebration you've ever seen. Please don't look at it on YouTube later. Just watch the goal and then press stop, because then after that I took my top off and started twirling it in the air, which to my kids' dismay. Can I take it? Oh, hey! Hey! Can I have a go? You ready? Just watch that ball there. Oh! Got ya.
Gonna take part?
Yeah. I'll go in goal.
Gonna go and goal?
Yeah, I'll go in goal. No one's going to score against me. Oh no. Oh! If you look at the ball, it'll never go over. When you're kicking it, there. If you look up, it's going to go up. Okay? So that. I'm not biased, but I want the United fan to win. Oh, good. I was waiting for that to happen. What did I say? Remember what I said? What did I say? When you kick it? Okay. I'm still going to save it. Oh, wow. Please tell me you got that on camera. Do you not like him? Is that not your mate? Is he all right? Are you okay, mate? Wow, well done. Shake hands. No one's watching. That's it. That's much better. Foot over the ball. Give me 5. Well done, mate.